Hi folks, got some exciting news for you today. Our Dokin connector for Looker is finally live. With this new integration, you can pull live data from all your marketing channels and visualize them in real time into Looker Studio. So here's an example of what you can achieve with that. This is a dashboard that we built for one of our early clients. They needed a way that could recap all their channels' performance from platforms like Meta, TikTok, Google Ads, Apple Search, Pinterest. And so we created first a recap dashboard right here that is connected in real time with all of these channels and recaps some key metrics like spend, impression, CPM, CTR, cost of acquisition, and purchases. And then we have a master dashboard that pulls data from Adjust and deep dive really into their app performance in terms of daily active users, revenue, installs by channels, country, more details also on cost of acquisition, the payments that have been completed, failed, and also performance details by campaign and creative. And we then have a similar thing for each of their channels. So if we look at TikTok, we have a main dashboard that recaps some of the key high-level metrics in terms of reach, clicks per spend, the revenue, cost per purchase, and again, conversions by country, age, gender, and more, and also again by campaign and creative. And we deep dive then into metrics in terms of daily trends, weekly trends, and monthly trends. And in this case, we're going to look at their spend, their CPM, how the CTR is evolving based on different days, weeks, or months. And we have the similar thing also for Google Ads, Google Analytics, Apple Search Console, and all of the other ad channels. We offer a wide variety of integrations depending on your different needs. So if you're interested, feel free to get in touch. I'll be more than happy to hear about your needs and see how we can help you. Thank you.